Hello YouTube, I'm back. And today we have an unplanned project. Because the other day, a gentleman from an off-roading community, Mr. Hadi, thank you, offered to give his 50-inch light bar. And of course, who wouldn't say no for a free light bar? Actually, some friends in Jeep Cherokee AE didn't agree with this because they're saying that this is long, it will be wide, and it's not normal for a Jeep Cherokee to have a 50-inch light bar. But everyone knows that I want it to be unique, so why not? I'll just give it a shot. After all, I will be the only one crazy enough to put a 50-inch light bar on a Jeep Cherokee. So why not? Let's try it. So here's the plan. We will going to install it in the frontmost of our cross rail because as much as possible I really don't want to put any holes in my car. But with this simple bracket, I'll make sure that it will be secured and the bracket will be stable enough to handle its weight and to make sure that the light bar will not go anywhere when we are driving at high speed. So this will be our mounting bracket. I bended a 4mm thick metal bar that I found on the scrapyard, put holes in it, and it will be secured by another flat bar with the same thickness. It's a 4mm as well, and it will be held by these four. I don't know what is the size of this. I'll be using a 13mm wrench. So here's the mounting bracket. I just want to give you a closer look on how it was fixed. So there you have it. This is the view from the front, secured, and trust me, this will not go anywhere. This is a very sturdy and very stable install. So this is the view from the front. Yes, it's a little bit out, but for me it really doesn't matter. Okay, we are now going to test our light bar, and I am now here somewhere in the industrial city. So this is the darkest and the safest spot that I can get tonight. We will just going to test it in here, and soon maybe I'm just going to test it in an actual off-road environment. But for now, let's test it in here. This is how it looks like when I just turn on the dim light together with the bumper fog light, the factory fog light, together with the vehicle. Now we will going to turn on the headlight. There, that is now in the high beam or in the normal driving light. And this is now what will it looks like when we open our light bar. To be honest with you, it really lights up really well, but unfortunately I'm just using a mobile phone, so I really don't know if you can see the same brightness or the same lighting that I am seeing right now. But I'm really happy with the result. The widespread of the light, the angle, This will be the view from inside of the car. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video that I made. And please consider subscribing and liking this video, and hopefully I can get some support from you guys. Thank you so much. Time to go home. Good night. Bye.